What's going on, beautiful people? Gotta have traffic is rolling. We are in. People are joining. People are signing up. Sent my emails out to let everybody know I already paid. So I'm just gonna go through what I can see right now. Um, then I'll get back to spending some time with wife. So to continue upgrade at any time, you go to this email. If you already one of my guys is already joined, go to this email, welcome to gottahavetraffic.com, your welcome email that you got, and then come down to this link. And when you click on this link, put your email address in here, your email address. And when you get there, it's going to take you to your sign in page. I'm not going to click it because it's going to take me to go sign in because I've already paid. So what I see now for me is let's go back to my email. Admin, welcome, gotta have traffic. Welcome aboard, Biz TNT. My login right here. Your personal site info is right here. They got quite a few sites for you to use. You have the 5 minute video, 2 minute video. Um, have a lot of great things that's in here for you to use. So once you do everything, and if you're brand new, you just got to come use my link. This one is not, this is my upline. So what I would do is take that one out. And that's all you got to do. See how my name changed? Right there. That's my name. So now when you come in, all you do is just use, I'll put the link inside the email, the bottom of the YouTube, inside the comment section, and I'll put it inside the explanation section. So so you're gonna get this page, you're gonna get, matter of fact, let's just go through it real quick. So official launch, we're in. We are officially live. You get all your capture pages. I'm not really going to scroll up and down on the screen because it has my sponsors information at the bottom, and it's a lot of information that's on this page. So we're going to kind of watch how we go through it. So this is the dashboard. You got my account where you can find your welcome email, letting welcome that you're coming. And obviously, it has your password and all that stuff is covered, so you ain't got to worry about that part. But you have everything here: my profile, my program. So you got your profile, and you got to come here fill out all your information. So these are the ways that you can get paid. You have Wise Tag or Wise Email. You have My Cash App, so you can get paid through Cash App. You can get paid through Zelle. Zelle goes straight to your bank. I like Zelle. You have Cash App. Cash App is cool. And then you got my bank account, so it goes straight to your bank account. So Zelle goes to your bank account, and Cash App goes to your my banking information goes to your bank account. So whichever one you use, they go straight to your bank account if you choose to use those, right? So so under my account, profile, program stats, um, cancel membership, but there ain't no sense of doing that. You click program stats, it's going to send you right back to your sign in page. So just those things, just leave those alone. You don't really need to mess with them. Then you can see your matrix. I don't think nobody made it in yet. So I got the 5 pack. So I have me up there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it says my enroller and me. And then all these are me. So every dime these make a 1099 will come in the mail for the totality of Biz with TNT, which is me. So got the 5 pack ready to roll. Knock this thing out. All right. So we got that. We got the Matrix, my membership. Gotta have traffic. It's going to show you that the other one is this one here, the actually your members area where we were just at. So you really don't need to click on that yet. You got the promo dashboard. So things are going good back here in this back office. Traffic packages. Remember, see, I've been always talking about the matrix, the regular matrix, but there's a matrix within the traffic packages. And 500 clicks for $50 is cheap. So, and this is the payout on everybody that buys a $50 package. So it's beautiful, people. Beautiful. Like you don't even have to buy a package to get paid off the packages. So anybody under you that buys a package, you get paid off of the packages. So you got affiliate marketing, Facebook retargeting, Google remarketing, places to advertise, different places and names, places you probably already seen. Text ads, banner. We got text ads in there, banner ads. Got your team, uh, your team, unilevel, genealogy, your leads. You got your commissions. So it already lets you know that soon as so I'm go to commissions earned. Remember, I got the 5-pack, $60 already ready to come back. So I was trying to tell you, pay you don't pay you pay $65 for a 5-pack. And then you get busy. And then if you get busy hard enough, you don't have to worry about paying ever again. That's the whole point. The more and more people you have under you, you're going to get paid, and you can pay for your subscription monthly with this money. And then once you hit break even, everything after that, you know what I'm saying? You're playing, it's house money. Take it to the house money. That's what it is. All right. So commissions, I'll let you know you're already getting paid. Under profile, I gotta go put where I want to send the money to, but right now I'm just gonna kind of just leave it in there. Yeah, I might get that $50 pack traffic package. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? So you got my commissions, you got leaderboard. So these are all the people right now, and it's just changing so much. Like yeah, like these two keep going back and forth. Jeremy Duncan, Aaron Parker, who I showed you in my last video. Um, this is Christina O'Court, Darius Badalone, Carpenter, Nick Bramble, Carlos Reyes. So you got a whole lot of people right now that are on this list running. I don't know how long it's going to actually go. I think I only seen 1 through 15, and we'll just keep checking because everything is day one. Got support down here if you ever need a support ticket for anything, but everything's in here, people. Everything is in here and it is running. So the owner, and then you got serial marketers. Serial marketer. I mean, you should know half of these people that's on here. May even know all of them, but serial marketers. All right, beautiful people. So if you're not in yet and you didn't join yet, you need to join now. Now. See official launch. Yeah. And that spot is, yeah, see, said my sponsor info. And then if you look at the thing on the side, that's accurate. So those people joining like crazy. Plug and P. I mean, if there's one thing that shows you like 1,500 people, it just says 1,500 people. So people, when you start seeing the numbers on how many people are in here, you're going to see it. So it's probably got the 5-pack. Keep showing his name over and over. uh, I think I went over everything. You got your matrix. Definitely want to watch that and watch that grow. And just put in the work. Put in the work. So you can join the Facebook group. Let's see what that looks like. So I've already tried before, like I told you, but I couldn't get in there because they didn't have. It's already 143 members. Yeah, it ain't playing. All right, let me see. Group. The membership request is pending approval. Are you G? Yes. What is your username? ECWDT. Put that in there. Do you understand? You agree? Yes. You're not in here spamming people. They're not trying to get their information. All right. So you get back here. See, affiliate marketing, places that are text ad, banner ads. That's something I'm missing. I seen it before. I'm trying to see where it is again, but then I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. So this really doesn't need to be that long of a video. It's time to go. Go time. All we should be doing right now is join it. You got my account, profile, program stats. No, I don't want to click that because I'm at the log back in. And then you have membership, gotta have traffic. Yeah, seen that. Promo dashboard, we're on that right now. affiliate marketing, Facebook return, Google remarketing, places to advertise, text ads, banner ads. That's cool too. I'm looking for the my team for my support. You know what? It might already be under sorry right there. Got you just for capture pages. So remember this first one is this 2 minute video. So when you go through this one, if you want to send the people the 2 minute video, and they can just log in right here. Now, if you got people who just like numbers, you send them this video. Well, follow up link is just for somebody who've already joined. Send that to them so they can know to jump in. Go ahead and pay. Do what you got to do. Then you also have the where's the other one at? The capture page, follow up link, sales page link. So this one is the one that's the 5 minute video, but then it has the calculator at the bottom, so they can play with the calculator and show them how to change. It changes. 612 with 3 people. And then you go from 3 to 4. Well, that's 5, but all you need is 4. And then it drastically jumps like crazy. So people, do what you got to do. Get up in here, get in the back. It's gonna ask you which package you want. I would say start with the 5. You start with the 5, and just grow from there. Start with the 5, grow from there. All right, beautiful people, it's your boy Terrance Gibson saying it's go time. Let's go. Let's go. You see the picture behind me. This is for you. All for you. So all you got to do now is just make that decision to join. See, I'm still trying to find that picture for you real quick. Second. Well, I'll be putting something here and we forgetting where I have it at. You know what? It's probably on here. Big, big. Oh, you know what? Downloads. Image. Oh, there you go. So that's the image right there. Something big. All these great benefits can be yours if you just take action. If you just take action. All right, beautiful people. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. Let's go. Let's grow. Let's blow this thing out the water. It's too easy. Too easy. We're in the beginning of this thing. It just started. Just popped off. Get your name up on this leaderboard. Let's start making this money. God bless.